include nuts and beans, which are in the protein group, some of the leafy green vegetables. They make a lot of milk substitutes like soy milk and almond milk, where they fortify them with calcium to bring it up to the levels that cow's milk would have. And tofu, the way they make it, usually involves calcium in the processing. Sometimes it's done with magnesium, so you might have to check the labels if you're wanting tofu as a calcium source, but it'll be there. And then the protein group, they did get a more inclusive name for this one instead of calling it the meat group. So protein's the big thing it has. Meat and eggs are complete proteins. They have all 8 essential amino acids. Legumes, which is the beans, not green beans, which are just vegetables, but any of the beans that you would get potentially dried, like garbanzo or pinto beans. Those have some of the essential amino acids, and generally the ones they're missing, the grains have. The protein group also has iron and some of the B vitamins. So B12 in the meat and eggs, B1, 2, and 3 in all of them. Any other questions on food groups? Right. Malnutrition means mal is bad. This refers to getting the wrong amounts of nutrients. Undernutrition, we probably think of more, where you're not getting enough of something. This includes general starvation or deficiencies of specific vitamins or minerals. There's also overnutrition, getting too much of something. That includes general overeating and, like Danielle asked about, an excess of a specific nutrient. Any vitamin or mineral can have negative effects with excess. There are some more specific examples in the textbook, which I didn't want to go into because it's a lot to remember, but any of them would be something you could do for an extra credit research paper. It includes eating disorders, protein deficiencies that are often seen in kids in developing nations. And you can also look into deficiency or excess of a specific vitamin. Scurvy used to be a well-known thing, especially with people at sea who didn't have fresh fruits and vegetables. I've heard of the occasional case recently where it's usually somebody who just works constantly and eats out of vending machines. All right, so that is chapter 18. There's no related lab. So we'll take our lunch break early and then start lab.